Through the course of time, English literature have provided us with a lot of writers and poets. One such writer is G.K. Chesterton. G.K. Chesterton, in full, Gilbert K. Chesterton, was an English critic, author of verse, essays, novels, and short stories, known also for his exuberant personality and rotund figure. He belonged to the 19th century writers. Chesterton was educated at St. Paul's School and later studied art at the Slade School and literature at University College London. His writings to 1910 were of three kinds. He has been referred to as the Prince of Paradox. His works are The Innocence of Father Brown, The Man Who Was Thursday, The Blue Cross, The Man Who Was Thursday and Innocence of Father Brown were included in Crime and Mystery. On Running After One's Hat by G.K. Chesterton may be exploring the theme of escape. When G.K. Chesterton was away from London, he heard that his hometown, Battersea, was flooded. Had Chesterton been there, he would have enjoyed the sight. The thin layer of water would have added beauty to the already beauty Battersea. Temporary inconvenience can be changed to positive inconvenience. Real pain like a severe toothache or being burnt in a Smithfield is a positive one. There is most of the inconvenience that men swear are only sentimental or imaginative. For example, waiting in a railway station for a delayed train is an inconvenience for grown-up people, but the same is a cavern of wonder for a small boy. Everything depends on the emotional point of view. The same principle can be applied to every typical nuisance of our daily life. Running after one's hat in a summer evening can be taken positively. It is like hockey or football. It is not comic. It can be done in manly and orderly manner. Hat hunting on windy days may even be made a game for ladies and gentle of upper class in the future. We can give the name Thick Cat as the title. The same principle can be applied to every other typical domestic worry. A man trying to get a fly out of the milk or a cork out of his glass wine may compare his inconvenience to the real pain of an angler sitting in the dark pool. A little sincere effort will make us happy. Imagine that we are dragging up a lifeboat out of the sea or pulling our dear friends through a rope from a airways. The inconvenience become easy and happy. Inconvenience is an accident part of rather a real romantic situation. An adventure is only an inconvenience rightly considered. An inconvenience is only an adventure wrongly considered. Wine is good with everything except water. Then water is good with everything except wine. Right is right even if nobody does it. Wrong is wrong even if everybody is wrong about it. G.K. Chesterton. Thanks for watching.